Hi, my name's Danny, if you don't already know me. I'm gonna start up a new video series, kind of walking through me ramping up an old portfolio project of mine. So I have this chess project I built, and this is kind of a speed run I did last summer. So this is all pure JavaScript. The pieces, when you click on them, and you can only click on pieces that are allowed to move at the time. Uh, it has all of our movement codes, so pieces know where they're allowed to move. Uh, Even when I do things like trying to make en passant happen. Uh, let's get black in position to make that happen. Now I can take their pawn. Black is in check. King can do any of these moves. Got to get out of check. So just a working, functioning chess project. This was cool. It took me about 12 hours, but what you're looking at right now is an HTML table and a whole bunch of JavaScript in one file. So really, this was just a logic challenge for me. I really want to ramp it up and use some higher quality technologies and also design a backend so you could feasibly play against a friend over the internet. So having a board represented on my plan is to use MongoDB for that. I don't think there's going to be too many dependencies on data, so I don't think I need to do anything relational, and Mongo's grown on me. Heading back to VS Code, I just wanted to show off in case anyone hasn't created a React app before. I'm going to be using React for my front end. And in particular, this will be a little bit new to me, but I want to try using TypeScript. My favorite, my most worked in language is Java, so I'm used to strongly typed languages. TypeScript seems right up my alley, and I'd love to get a little more experience with it. So we'll see if I run into any issues with that, but should work pretty similar to JavaScript. I mean, really, on a basic level, it's strongly typed JavaScript, right? So I'm going to assume you have npm installed. After having npm installed, you're going to want to install Vite. So to get started, you're going to want to hit npm create Vite at latest. And then you can give it a name. I already have my project created, but for my sake, I guess it would be social chess. Um, and then you're going to want to share your template. So you can go template. For me, it was React TS, but it's going to walk you through an installation anyway. So you can choose React setup and then TypeScript off of that. So once you create your React project, you're going to want to go into that folder. And then npm install is going to go through your newly created configuration file, and it's going to install all of the dependencies that are listed there. So npm install. And then the last thing you're going to want to do to test out your new React project is npm run dev. And npm run dev, the default is going to be port 5173. Let me drag that over here now. You're going to see the default Vite and React project.